The hardest part is to believe in the impossible and to keep going until you succeed. Today we are trailblazers. Growing up in Thailand, we were always watching, but never part of the sneaker culture. As a kid, I would only see rare sneakers on TV. And this was it, a small spark of design inspiration. From there, I could visualize it in 3D. But now, together with CModX, I have a chance to make a difference. The hardest part is to believe in the impossible and to keep going until you succeed. With SneakerX, the idea is to bring the world of gaming and the sneaker culture together. And once we put all of SneakerX together, it was clear to me that PCs don't have to fit in a box. Just like us, we're not made to be boxed in, but we define our own style and who we are.